Hello students, all of you welcome back on SG Smart Classes online portal. Dear students, today we are going to discuss standard MSc first year second sem flow dynamics. It's our video lecture 5. Okay, in this lecture we are going to discuss about complex potential due to a source. Okay, what will be the complex potential due to a source? Okay, for drive it we just let we just consider let there be a source of strength m. Okay, to prove it, we just consider let there be a source of strength m, small m, at origin. Okay, then we just take a function, a complex function like this, w is equal to 5I psi. We can write from previous lecture phi equal to this minus m log r and I same psi is equal to m theta. We can take out common minus m from here, we get log r plus I log log e की power I theta, e की power theta. Okay, then minus m log r, we can write these both by log property. What is the log property? If we have this type of, we can write it log r theta. Okay, according to this we can write in the place of r, here is r, place of theta e की power I theta. Okay, we can write it these. Okay, then we can write r e की power I theta is equal to z. According to this we just learn it in BSc, z is equal to r e की power I theta. Okay, if however the source at z dash, first we just take the source at origin, then if there is any point z dash, then complex potential will be this. We can subtract easily from here z minus z dash. Okay, the relation between w and z for the source strength m1 m2 m3 up to so on shouted at a point. Okay, and z is equal to z1 z2 z3 is given by, we can write according to this type of for m1 m2 m3. Okay, and z1 z2 z3 like this. We can also write phi is equal to m1 log the value of this r1, this will be same log r2 log r3. Okay, and psi is equal to m1 theta 1 minus m2 theta 2 minus m3 theta 3 minus up to so on, where rn is equal to mod of z minus zn and theta n argument of z minus zn, where n is equal to 1 to 3. Okay, now let's start next topic. Next topic is doublet or dipole in 2D. Okay, the definition of doublet or dipole. What is dipole? It is the combination it is a combination of source and sinks. Okay, we can also understand by the definition. I will tell you what is doublet. A combination of source strength m. We just doublet is a combination, okay, of source strength m. It is a source of strength m and a sink strength minus m, and this is the combination like this at a small distance del s apart. Okay, like something like this. This is your source of strength m and it is sink of strength minus m, and it between these two the distance is del s apart. Okay, where in the limit m is taken finite, where this limit m is finitely great. Okay, and del s infinitely small. It means he wanted to just say that this limit m is finite, but this is finite greater. Okay, but these infinitely small. But when we will product these two, it will also equal to a finite, the product of these two, it is finite, it is infinite. When we will product each other, okay, we get a finite quantity equal to mu, is called a doublet strength. Okay, when we will product this finite quantity and infinite quantity, we get the doublet strength mu. Okay, this is the definition of doublet of dipole. I hope you understand this better. Okay, in this video it is sufficient. Next video I will tell you next topic. Next topic. Uh, See you in next video. Bye bye. Thank you so much.